Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through Aussie US dollar and give a little bit of an update to what's happening. So in the Forex market wrap, I explained that I'll be leaving this trade open. This is just because the market was untriggered. I still want to be short Aussie US dollar. So yeah, I wanted to leave that position in. It's been triggered, currently running in about 20 pips of profit. It did drop a little bit further but has come back slightly, but essentially I still want to be short this market because that weekly time frame still looking bearish in terms of it's rejected this previous high. We're in that overbought condition, looking for that turn to continue and retest this level through here. I also like the position because of the daily time frame. Price has come back down and put in a daily bearish close. Now when price does that, I want to be looking for the short opportunities going into the next day, and I like the fact that it has retraced and hit this previous sort of structure area here and started to reject down. So quite like the idea of continuing to look for those shorts on Aussie USD. Ideally I'd like to have seen a bit of a change in cycle. At the moment the 4 hour looks like this with a higher high, but ideally I would want to see another low coming in, so price to make another lower low and then look for the continuation down. But obviously we can't control the market's going to do whatever it wants to do. We're just going to look for to see if that can and continue down. Ideally, if you are looking to get into Aussie US dollar, wait for a break of this low first, then look to get in on the price action, because the 4 hour trend would be agreeing with our overall bias on that daily time frame. Hourly chart is again looking a bit stuck, nothing really going on. 15-minute chart I quite like in terms of the fact that it's showing that early sign of a move, so you've got like a bit of a breakdown, it rallies up, it's retested this area of structure through here, and now it's starting to maybe push to the downside once again. So I do like the 15-minute structure on this. So if you are looking for a potential position, you could be looking for the lower high here to come into play and then look for that trade to the downside through there. But I do quite like that Aussie US dollar move to the downside still. 5-minute time frame is changing cycle as well, so it's all pointing in the right direction. Just want to wait for a little bit more confirmation for those looking to trade that 4 hour trend. You know, wait for that lower low, wait for the pullback into these key areas, wait for that condition to be met. But Aussie US dollar still looking to push to the downside according to our strength and weakness analysis, so still waiting for that to play out. Keep an eye on the 4 hour time frame. We're going to wait for that change in cycle, and thanks for watching this video update, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.